consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to Colado Graphics Design channel. It's great having you here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two apps to which you can use in getting resources for your designs. But before diving into the video, do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So like I said earlier, I'll be showing you guys two apps you can use in getting different and quality resources for your designs. So let's check into the apps. So looking at this on the screen, we have two apps named Image Search. Looking on this on the screen, you can see two apps I'm pointing the arrows to. Those are the apps we are going to be used in searching for the resources for our designs. So let's check into the app. As you can see, this is the interface of the first app. So you can easily click on the search icon here to search for any resources. You can click on the search icon here. So once you click on the search icon, you'll be having this search bar. Then you input whatever you want to search into the search bar. Let's look for Amazed Woman. So looking at this, you can see these are the images of Amazed Woman. So you can easily download any images of your choice. You can easily download any images of your choice on this app. It is easy to download. You can see. So once you click on the images like this, you can see this is the download icon which you can use in downloading the resources. Once you click on this, the image will have been saved to your gallery, and I will be putting a link in the video description to which you can enhance the quality of the image, how you can remove the watermark on such image, and enhance the quality of the image. So you can easily search for any resources. Let's say you want to make a full flyer, so you can come here to search for pizza. Looking at this, these are different images of pizza. So this app is very effective for searching for resources for your designs. You can as well search for anything. This app also works for, let's say you want to make your designs and you need ideas on how you can make your designs. You want to design a birthday flyer, you need an idea on how you want the birthday flyers to be. You can easily come here and search for birthday flyer. You will see different kinds of birthday flyer to which you can follow. You can follow the idea in designing by your own birthday flyer. Looking at this, these are different kinds of birthday flyer. So you can easily come to this app, search for anything, then you can get the idea for your designs. School flyer. You can come here, then get idea for your designs. You can see this app is really fantastic for designers. It's an app that is really fantastic. You can easily come here to search for your resources, search for your design ideas, and you can easily download these resources, remove the background, remove the watermark on the image, then enhance the quality. Now to the second app. This is the second app. So let's look into this. This is the interface for the second app. So you can easily click into the search bar, then search for anything you want. Amazed Man. You can see after searching for Amazed Man, you can see there are different images of Amazed Man, and once you click on one of the images, you still have a different kind of image. of Amazman under the same image you just click on. You can see we have thousands of images here. We have thousands of images. As well, you can get your resources. Let's say you want to design a boutique flyer now. You want to make your design. You can easily come here, shoes for men, and you can see different kinds of shoes, bags. You can see bags. Amaze woman. Amaze woman. You can see different kinds of Amaze woman images. You can easily come here, search for anything, and looking at this, you can download this using the icon, this download icon button. You can see the download icon button where I am pointing the arrow. Once you click on this, the image is also saved to your gallery, and you can also use this app in getting idea for your design as well. School flyer. You can see, just like we've seen on the other app, you can see now school flyer. These are different kinds of school flyer, different kinds of download images. You can easily see these are different kinds of the images you've downloaded from the app. You still have it here, and you can easily go back to home using this, and you can search for any resources you want. You want to design a birthday flyer now, you need a balloon, you can come here. You can see different kinds of balloons. So this app is an amazing app for designers, to which you can use in getting your resources for your video. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing video. Thanks for watching. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself